DeTect announces production of its largest, longest-range surveillance radar. By DroneLife staff writer Ian M. Crosby. Leading radar manufacturer DeTect Incorporated has announced the production of the HARRIER BAR300, the company's largest and longest-range radar, featuring an extended range of more than 30 nautical miles for aircraft detection. DeTect makes radars for aviation, for counter-drone and drone detection purposes, bird detection, and to facilitate BVLOS flight for unmanned systems. Their newest offering provides a long-range solution for multiple purposes. An X-band, solid-state air and marine surveillance radar, the BAR-TM series radar has been in development by DeTect since 2021 for extended-range airspace security, beyond visual line of sight, BVLOS, drone operation, aircraft detection lighting system, ADLS, bird monitoring and long-range coastal surveillance use cases. The first production article of the radar is currently undergoing final certification testing at DeTect's Florida-based R&D range. The solution is anticipated to be released to the market by the end of the second quarter of 2023. With this radar, DeTect now offers a full range of 2D and 3D radars from small, lightweight, short-range units to large, long-range radars, allowing DeTect to deliver the right radar for the job, said DeTect President and CEO Gary W. Andrews.